everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Lockdown Chastity Cage in the size medium. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes included in the Lockdown Chastity set, and this is the chastity cage itself in an all black colour. Now, as mentioned, this is shown here in the size medium, but it is also available in the sizes small and large as well. Now, if you're ready for an exciting bondage experience, then this chastity cage by Lockdown makes it impossible for the wearer to get an erection. The cage can be worn multiple days in a row for intense foreplay. The opening at the front just here allows the wearer to urinate without removing the cage as well. This great set comes with 5 different rings ranging in different sizes from 4.5cm to 6.5cm in diameter. It also contains a metal padlock and a set of keys just here as well. And it also contains 5 plastic numbered padlocks. The plastic locks can be cut off the cage with scissors after use, and the unique numbers on each padlock ensure the wearer cannot secretly remove the chastity cage and put on a new padlock afterwards without getting caught. Now, when using this chastity cage, especially if you're a beginner, we encourage you to use a water-based lubricant all over the penis to optimally have lots of comfort when inserting the chastity cage on you. Please make sure to clean the chastity cage after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Lockdown Chastity Cage in the size medium. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.